Rex is providing the link to the Discord there, so if anybody wants to go to the Discord. Again, we're having some great conversations, great knowledge being spread there, and it's a good way for you guys to kind of keep in touch after this is all done. All right. Okay, guys. Well, I'm glad we had that discussion on the confusion matrices. I think that's super valuable. So, where can you guys go with this? I want to leave you guys with some self-study, right? What about leave one out cross-validation? Excuse me. We haven't gone over that. Can you write code for leave one out? Or, excuse me, let me say that another way. Can you get ChatGPT to write code for leave one out? I bet it could. Okay, so you do that. What does that confusion matrix look like? Do you think it would be better or worse than the confusion matrix that we saw from, the k-folds validation? It's kind of hard to beat our error rate, right? We got four wrong out of 150, right? So on probability alone, you would say, no, it's not going to be better, right? But maybe it can. There's advantages and disadvantages to leave one out. So I'm going to challenge you guys to go out and do that.